Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
He was seated on a straw mattress and speaking to all present, including the great sage Narad, to whom he specifically spoke about the absolute truth. The Lord was sitting on a mattress of straw because such a sitting place is accepted by persons who are practicing austerities to gain understanding of the absolute truth. In this verse it is specifically mentioned that he was speaking to the great sage Narad, a celebrated devotee. Narad was asking Lord Shiva about devotional service, and Shiva, being the topmost Vaishnav, was instructing him. In other words, Lord Shiva and Narad were discussing the knowledge of the Veda, but it is to be understood that the subject matter was devotional service. Another point in this connection is that Lord Shiva is the supreme instructor and the great sage Narad is the supreme audience. Therefore, the supreme subject matter of Vedic knowledge is bhakti, or devotional service.